Hello everyone. Now this is one more RPA project that is handling patient information. What I am doing here is I will download the treatment report of the patient, and then from the report I will sort the patients having national insurance, and I will upload the patients having national insurance into national insurance planning tool. So I built the project, or what we call bot. Here I will show you my bot. This is my sequence, what I did. Now I am going to run the bot. Bot is running. So healthcare, we are downloading the patient details, then visiting national insurance planning tool. Here all the patient details entered. Only these are the patient details. They have national insurance policy. Only their data it is added and submitted. This form filling will go for all the patient having national insurance. Each time browser is opening and closing here, I used, there is a close browser option. Even there is a provision to speed up filling the data also. That also you can set in the properties of the activities what we use in the bot. Like in type into activity, there is a provision to speed up the inserting the data speed. Done with the form filling. I'll show the folder. So this is a downloaded treatment report. This is a downloaded, first downloaded file. Here you can see so many patient datas are there, and here a few are national insurance policy holders and others are like private, all these things. So here what I did is I filtered file, and I just created one more file only containing national insurance. I'll show you that file also here. This is my file. Here you can see all the insurances are national policy holders data. So this is my project.